You're all a bunch of fucking assholes. You know why? You don't have the guts to be what you want to be. You need people like me.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Topshada, and we back with yet another video. Now, if you haven't watched last video, I put on the front end 1M conversion front end. I also put on the fenders, and I put on the headlight bracket in order to hold the front bumper, and I also installed so if you haven't checked out my front end video, it should be out before this. The link should be up top right. Don't want to miss that video. That had everything that I did to the front end. It was a little speed walked, but it is what it is. Today's video, we're going to be swapping in the new rear end. Now, I think I'm just gonna do one big video with the tail lights included and the rear bumper, and throwing on the side skirts, because I don't really drop like longer videos. I drop like quick 10-minute or below videos, so I'm gonna change that up. Boy, if you don't, I'm gonna throw everything into this video, and as always, I'm dealing with sunlight too, so it's gonna be a little hard, but we'll get it done. So I had the car covered because we had a lot of rain yesterday, but like I told you guys last video, we did the front end and the carbon fiber hood. This video we are going to be tackling the rear bumper and these taillights because they're cracked, you can see, broken, and have water in them, and I gotta see what the wiring is that they did to it, because these lights stay on and I don't think I have any like brake pedal lights, so it is what it is. I think this is even broken too. I don't know what they try to do. Also, if you're looking for any of these parts, including that trunk, it is for sale, so feel free to message me via Instagram or whatever social media platform. It'll be linked down below. So you will have this little protector right there. Just pull that right off. Seems like we got these little push tabs that we have to pull off to free this up, just so we can get behind here, and obviously removing the tail lights will allow us to remove that rear bumper. So I'm gonna go ahead and tackle that. It looks like got some Phillips heads there, and then obviously that little tab remover, so shouldn't be too hard, but yeah, to be honest guys, I just removed this clip out of right here, and gives you pretty much enough access to get through. I was missing a clip, I believe. Actually, I don't think there's one up there, so yeah, just remove that one on either side and it should give you enough space to get to the taillights. Did you guys see the water that dripped out of that taillight? Not only will we be upgrading from these old, busted, water-filled taillights, but I'm digging the new BLACKLINE tails. Now, these are way better looking, in my opinion. If you have a 1 Series, you need to be running BLACKLINE tails. Now, it just looks like there's screws in between on the inside of here, along here. I think they might be 8 mils, could be wrong. And then it's just tabs, and then we just have to remove the stock ones and add these ones that will hold the 1M rear bumper. got the wheels off. One reminder that I have to say, and yeah, I really need to refresh all this. The fender liner has to come out simply because when we do the arches, it will be a lot wider to fit a E92 rear. So we might as well go ahead and remove it now so that it's just already out the way when it comes time to cut the quarter panels. And to be honest, I'm not driving the car much, so it shouldn't really matter too much. Rain's starting to pick up a little bit, but show must go on. We got to get this build going. Now, for the most part, both of the liners are off. The bumper's ready to be pulled, and this is just removing and reinstalling a new bracket so the new bumper can fit on, and then just reinstalling the taillights really. Guys, talk about determination. Got Marco who just pulled up, but bumper went on pretty good, not gonna lie to you. Looks good. Nice and wide. Nice and wide. Got bro leaving. Oh my god, the rain's picking up, but I gotta hurry up and get these taillights on because it's getting wet in the trunk. I can't have that no more. Alright boys, new day, and I just want you guys to check out the build. Like, I put the girls in today, and like, guys, I'm like getting so happy right now because like seeing like this build just play out, especially knowing that this is what I wanted, is actually kind of fulfilling. And I don't think there's any amount of happiness to like just watching a car you build by yourself, taking the time, you know, and the effort, and just to seeing everything like come together piece by piece. I know it's not done, but like I'm so proud of this car already, and it's nowhere near finished. So this video, we put on the new tails, the bumper. Guys, I'm still trying to figure out what I'm going to do as far as exhaust setup. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I kind of don't want to do the quad tip. I'm gonna tell you guys why. I feel like every 1M clone does that, and like I told you guys, this is a budget build, nor do I want it to actually be like an actual 1M. So I'm looking for, like, I wish they did Tomes. I want to do like a real, like, a nice big single exit right here. Like, I want to get rid of that little dual tip and do like a nice that single exit, and then like find something like to cover their diffuser or something. I don't know. But yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I've been looking into it. Obviously suspension, I think I might sell these BC coils, guys, and I think you guys know what route I'm going with that. The wheels also, I do not want these wheels. I told you guys for a long time that I'm not a fan of these BMRs. They're good wheels, don't get me wrong, good beater wheels, but just not my cup of tea for the most part. And also off camera, I went ahead and put on the side skirts. Now everything bolts up. Now this isn't really there, I just put it on for pictures and video purposes. Can't wait to cut this car. That's literally the next thing that we have left to do, is to cut the car and actually mold. I'm so sorry about the trains. The next thing we really have to do is cut the car and basically mold these rear quarter little flares, and we basically have a 1M. But seeing everything like mock up, and you know, it's just like I told you guys, I it's like I feel so good about it, like knowing damn well like I'm doing all this work too. It's crazy. And but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys rear bumper, tails, we're done. Next video will probably be cutting into this car, honestly, and it's the first car I've ever cut into, and I actually can't wait. Man, carbon hood, full 1M swap, like just look how wide she's gonna be. But yeah, guys, I'm probably gonna end the video here. I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and if you're an OG and has been watching my videos for a while, you probably know this spot, and this is my go-to spot. Whenever I had my highs or lows, or whenever I was dreaming about doing something, I've always came here, and you know, always dolo, and just took the time to like just ponder on what I wanted to do or what I wanted to become. And it's amazing seeing everything unfold. Make sure you drop a like and a comment below. Do you guys like the 1 Series content? I still have the X5 and the wagon to do, don't get me wrong. The wagon's a way bigger build than this. Brick by brick, we're almost there. But yeah, next video we'll be cutting this car most likely. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and Topshada out, baby.